here with TruFluency Kids Spanish Immersion. And of course, I'm always with Alex.
Hello. Hola, hola.
And as always, we are two mamas fighting for our kids' bilingualism because it is tough. Whether you speak the language or you don't speak the language that you want your kid to learn, it's tough. If you're living in an English-only environment and you're trying to teach Spanish, you're fighting for the Spanish time, like Alex is. So Alex is going to teach our weekly Spanish phrase for the parents to help them incorporate Spanish into their daily lives. And she was telling me about a common phrase she uses every day. Alex?
This is my favorite one. A recoger. Pick up time.
Recoger. Okay, that's a lot of R's in there, people. A recoger.
Recoger. Yes, it means pick up. Pick up time. Pick up the toys. Pick up the mess. At the end of the day, I tell them, okay, niñas, a recoger. And then my husband, he says, pick up time. So actually we have two songs for it. Whenever they're with me, is a recoger, a recoger, a recoger.
Oh, that's
and then my
easy.
husband, and then my husband says, pick up, everybody do your share.
I know I do. Of course I do. I'm American and I grew up with this song.
So they both
sing us your song again so we can remember it.
a recoger, a recoger, a recoger.
Okay, got it. All right, everyone. So tonight, after playtime, what are we gonna do?
A recoger, a recoger, a recoger.
Nice. Awesome. Thank you so much, Alex. And that is our weekly phrase, guys. So make sure that you say it tonight to get the kids to clean up. See you next time.